Hi, I'm Hasib Omar, studying BBA final year at REMO International College. I got placed at B.sc Aviation, Hyderabad. I would like to thank to the REMO International placement team and as well as the management for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Agalya. I have completed BBA Airline Airport Management in REMO International College. I got placement in CLP ground handling in Hyderabad. Thanks to REMO College and the placement team.
Hi, I'm Divya. And now I'm studying MBA Airline and Airport Management at REMO International College. Now I got selected as a airline security officer at Indigo Airlines. I would like to thank my college as well as my placement department. I'm really proud of my college and also myself. Thank you so much for the opportunity to learn and to enhance my knowledge, everything. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you all.
Hi, I'm Nishan and I'm from Chennai. I did my graduation in BBA Airlines and Airport Management from REMO International College. Actually, I got selected in RAM Executive in Indigo. I need to thank placement training for giving me this wonderful opportunity. So thank you.
I am Monica Sharas from 2019 batch. I have selected as a catering officer in Indigo Airlines. For this opportunity, I have to thank my REMO International College management and also my placement team. For this, thank you so much.
Hi, I am Javed Parvez. I am completed MBA Airline and Airport Management in REMO International College.